Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Tuesday, August 16, 2022. So the chart you look at here that the E-mini SP 500 after June low, the market continued to put it up to the upside. Right now we are still in the uptrend. However, we get very close to the resistance area here, so you need to pay attention. Let's see how the market react when they get into this level. If they fail to make it to break out the downtrend line here, we may have a pullback before they can continue to push it up to the upside. The overall trend is still bullish, as you can see, and the market continue to push it back up. Today, if you look at the chart of the SPX, the SP 500 index, you can see that the market is get right into the downtrend line, and in the smaller time frame, you can see that when they get right into the trend line, the market finished, and then the people took a profit very fast. As you can see how fast it go down, and after that they stabilize and find a way to push it back up. So the market is getting to a very important level that we need to pay attention to see how the market react at this level here. Okay, so if you look at the Nasdaq, which is a technology stock, it's very strong to break out and continue to put it back up. However, they get to the next level of resistance here. Let's see, they can punch through it or they have to pull back before they can get higher. So if you look at the Dow, the Dow is also very strong. As you can see here, they continue to put it up to the upside. They still have room to push it up to test the sell zone up there. And the Russell 2000 is also very strong. As you can see, it's continued to put it up to the upside. Momentum is still there, and let's see it when they go to stop. It's a little bit extended right now, so we have to pay attention, okay? Because something that they can never go straight up, they have to pull back down before they can move higher. So just watch out for that. Now, if you look at the crude oil, it continues to put it down. As you can see here, the economy in China continues to shrinking, so it's less demand. As you can see that the oil continue to put it back down. They have a strong support down below there. Gold, it also put it back up, but they hit right into resistance, so now they are going sideways choppy back before they can find the way to put it up later. The natural gas is also very strong. As you can see here, they continue to clear up here. This one is still in high demand, especially in Europe. But you can see here, this one, if they can clear that area here, it will be more bullish for the natural gas there. Now let's take a look on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still stuck at the sell zone here, but they still hold on to this level here. So if they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it higher. But Ethereum is better. They break out, they pull back support, and it's more affordable, so more people buy Ethereum here and put it up to the upside in the future there. If you look at the volatility index, you can see that they continue to put it down to the downside, so which is good. So everybody stay calm, no panicking. Okay, they drop below 20, so put the market into a very calm mode, and if they continue to do so, that will have the market to have room to put it up. The 10-year Treasury note, it also back and forward here, but the momentum is already losing, so they put it back, but it's strong resistance here, so they go nowhere, sideways here. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the SP 500. You can see this one, the SLK, which is the technology, is still a leading fall fund and continue to put it up to the upside. They have some resistance here. Let's see if they can punch to it. If not, they will pull back down before they can go higher. But the momentum is still bullish at this moment. Look at the XLY, which is a consumer discretionary. It's also very strong. Continue to put it back here. Some resistance here, but momentum is still there. The XLI, which is the industrial, is very strong. You can see a lot of stock in this sector. They are moving up, especially transportation, like FedEx, UPS, and a lot of heavy construction equipment. They're also doing well. So this one is continue to put it up and very strong. Bow back up from the bottom. The communication also put it back up, but it's weaker compared to the other sector. They have some resistance here, but it still try to find a way and put it back up in the future there. The XLB, which is the material, it also try to turn around. As you can see here, they continue to put it back up. Strong resistance up to this level there. You have room to roll. Consumer stable, they're in very well here, as you can see here, and a lot of stock in this sector is doing well. McDonald's, Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Starbucks, they all ram up and put this one higher to the direction of the trend. And the energy is still just be sideways. They couldn't make a high hat yet until they be able to clear this one here. They will get up a little bit more up there. Okay, and the SLF, which is the financial, with a lot of bill yet passed from Senate, and definitely the money flow, the financial market will love it, and the bank love it, and then they continue to put it up to the upside. As you can see here, no sign of slowing down yet. The real estate, with the interest rate, it goes sideways, but they are coming down a little bit. So the real estate is still moving back up, right? At this moment, they are a little bit overbought, but no sign of reversal yet. So let's see if they can clear another level of resistance and continue to go higher. Otherwise, they will pull back before they can put it back up again. So to the bottom here, it almost stabilized here. If we pull back and we punch to another level, the bear is over. We will continue to put it higher in the future. Okay, so look for that. And the XLU with the utility is still strong, high demand, and continue to put it back up. They make another all-time high here, so that's good. So it means that they still want to go higher. Okay, and look at the XLB, which is the healthcare sector. They try to find a way here to clear up this area here. They can get through this area here. They have more room to put it up to the upside again. Okay, I think that's all the sector for the S&P 500. And today I'm going to show you a lot of stock. Okay, that's where the big boy they have been invest in for last month until now. So first of all, let's take a look from with the Warren Buffett. He put in about $64.3 million on the ATVI. Let's see how they're doing ATVI. So ATVI, so they put it back up, and then they come back down. Now they crawl back up, so not too bad. Okay, so this one here to continue to rumble to the upside, and the Soros Fund Management, he put about 29.9 thousand shares of Tesla. So Tesla, as you can see, they doing very well and continue to find a way to put it higher to the upside. So that's good. And David Tepper, and he took a new position in Salesforce, CRM. Okay, let's see how this stock doing. This one here is still not bad. They have some resistance here. If they can clear this one here, they will continue to put it back up. So he put in about 200,000 share of CRM. That's a lot of share. He also put money in Alibaba, but Alibaba still have trouble. Okay, they need to get out of this area here to slowly move, and the China stock is still shrinking to the downside. There's no buy signal yet, but he may put money in upfront before they can break out. Okay, and he bought about 100,000 shares, and Netflix he put in about 50,000 shares on Netflix. So, and FLX Netflix is yep, they try to buy back up, so that one is still doing okay there. So it's still a good gain since they put it back in, not bad. And Elliott Investment Management, they put stack in the Pinterest, so PINS, so Pinterest, BIPINS, they talk it slowly move, okay, but they still have room in the future to get here. If they get up here, he make it 30%, not too bad, okay. And he also put the money on TWTR Twitter, okay, TWTR. Let's see here. So this stock is doing pretty well after Elon Musk. He said that he's going to buy it, and he not buy it. They pull back to the bottom. Now they find a way back up. He may buy it. We don't know. So right now they try to turn around. They get back up again. Momentum is still there. So this guy, he bought it when it come to the bottom. Now it's still doing well. Not bad. And Ray Diallo, he get a position in RIVN. Okay, so a lot of start-up electric vehicle, they beating down. Now they crawl back up, so they are still doing well. Okay, so they are still slowly move, but momentum is still there. They have a lot of opportunity in the future. Good investment. Okay, he also put the money in Amazon, which is another strong one after they bottom out and find a way to put it back up. And Gates Foundation, Bill Gates, they involved with BRM, which is a small cap stock. They are bottom out and also try to find a way to put it back up. He also put the money in CVNA, which is good. The stock at bottom out and still have room to put it back up to the upside. Okay, and ICANN, he put the money in BLCO. Okay, that's another bounce slump. This one here, if they can clear this resistance here, they still have room to put it a little bit choppy stock, but they still have room to put it up to the upside. So those guys seem like they know what they are doing. They put into the right stock and continue to the upside. And then lower up, they put the money into Disney, which is a good one. After bottom out and find a way to put it back up and continue to ramble up to the upside. So it's good stock for him also. Okay, so I think that just some of the stock that you can see the big boy on the Wall Street. That's how they play. Okay, so they are all in the right position and making good money so far. So sometimes that if you know how to understand the technical analysis, you can analyze those charts when they get in, and you can follow them, and then you can make good money also. So if you want to do that, check out our website at stocknavigator.com. We have a free webinar for you so that you can see how we trade. In order to understand the market, you have to understand technical analysis. You have to understand the market psychology in order to be successful in a volatile market. Again, thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the Thursday video. Take care, everyone.